वेलकम बैक। मैं इस वक्त तंजीर में हूँ और ये मोरक्को का एक शहर है। तो मोरक्को बेसिकली नॉर्थ अफ्रीका है और तंजीर भी नॉर्थ ऑफ मोरक्को में आता है, बिल्कुल ऊपर। साथ साथ अटलांटिक ओशन चलता है इसके, और चूँकि यहाँ से यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट जो दूर नहीं है ज़्यादा, तो मेडिटेरेनियन सी भी यहीं पर है। तो तंजीर के पास थोड़ा सा कोई 20-25 मिनट की ड्राइव पर एक जगह है जहाँ पर दोनों समंदर आपस में मिलते हैं, लेकिन वो ओबियसली पानी मिक्स नहीं होता उनका। तो आपको वहाँ से टू टोन्स नज़र आती हैं पानी की, अटलांटिक ओशन और मेडिटेरेनियन सी। तो यहाँ पर उस पॉइंट पर इंशाल्लाह चलते हैं हम। और इसका आपने कुरान में ज़िक्र भी सूरह रहमान में है कि दो समंदर आपस में नहीं मिलते हैं। तो खुदा की कुदरत शान। तो चलकर देखते हैं जी वो वाला पॉइंट कैसा है। Hi Aziz. Aziz, we go to Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How long it will take?
Well, we take about 20
20
kilometers
minutes.
like this.
Okay. Okay.
Kilometers about Tangier, but in
No
a way,
problem. No problem. We
to
go.
the message of the picture.
हम लोग जा रहे हैं जनाब उस पॉइंट पर। What is the name of this place?
It is the message of the beach, Boulevard Boulevard Mohammed VI.
No. Where we are going?
To go to the two oceans, separation.
Two
of
oceans. Two oceans.
Two oceans, yes.
Okay.
To the Mediterranean Sea, the Atlantic Sea.
Okay.
البحر. It's right in the Quran.
It's in the Quran, in Surah Rahman.
Rahman, yeah.
Subhanallah. This is a mosque, yeah?
Yeah.
Which mosque?
It is the name is Lala Abla, the grandmother for the king.
Grandmother of the king.
Yeah.
Okay.
The new king, yeah.
And this is Kasbah, old city, yeah?
No, this
not
is
this one.
Continental Hotel.
Oh, this
And
is
the Kasbah
Continental,
is
okay.
Upstairs.
Okay, it's upstairs.
Yeah,
And this is very old. What is this?
This is like is the place. It's named Dar Baroud. And the place before he was
Darul Baroud,
Darul
yeah?
Baroud, yeah.
Okay.
See, like the tomb. But
Yeah.
Batuta, he was parked here in this place.
Ibn Battuta.
Ibn
Okay.
Battuta.
Ibn Battuta was from Tangier, yeah?
Tangier,
Okay.
real from Tangier.
Real from
His
Tangier.
cemetery is upstairs to the Kasbah,
Okay.
near to the museum.
Right.
The first bout between Europe and Africa.
You know Tariq bin Ziyad?
Tariq bin Ziyad also is.
He was governor of Tangier.
He's from Tangier, and then other side, the masjid of the Titwa,
Yes,
the
yes.
center, to
He was-
Gibraltar.
Yeah, exactly. He went to Gibraltar, yeah. He was the soldier, he was the general of Musa bin Nasir.
Yeah,
You know, yeah, history.
he's
Mashallah, good.
little bit. He went in school. That's more.
Oh, you were in the school at that time?
We're in
No.
School. Yeah, this.
Oh, you read in the school. Okay. I thought maybe you were going to the school at that time.
No.
You're not that old. Because that was 711.
Yeah, that's right. He said like,
Yeah.
البحر أمامكم والعدو وراءكم.
Yes. Yeah, what he said?
He said البحر العدو أمامكم والبحر وراءكم.
Yes.
He said the beach back.
At the back there's a sea, at the
sea.
front there's the enemy.
The people want to meet with him.
And he burned the boats.
He brought to the Islam in the Europe.
Yeah, 700 years
Yeah.
rule. Yeah.
So now to the famous house from Forbes.
Okay, who's this house?
Magazine. Forbes, creator.
Oh, Forbes magazine.
Yeah.
He's the owner, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, he lives here.
Yeah. He
Okay.
was living here, in that here.
Right.
He make it to hospital. Right side, Spain.
Yeah.
The view.
Cafe Haifa.
Before he was here, beach.
Okay. So this is all new development?
Yeah, new, yeah.
This is all new, okay.
The Nestled, new beach. There was
Yeah.
a beach here at the top.
It used to be beach here, yeah?
Beach here.
Right. But now they made the road and
They make a
okay. These rocks must be in the sea.
And Ramadan.
How did they put this grass on the mountain?
No, Ramadan.
Yeah.
Ramadan, you want too many people. He come here to break, to make a photo.
Okay.
When sunset.
Okay.
Full here.
Yeah.
But some Corona, it was empty.
तकरीबन शाम के 7 बज चुके हैं और मौसम थोड़ा सा बेहतर प्लेजेंट हो गया हुआ है। दिन के वक्त दोपहर के वक्त काफ़ी गर्मी थी, तो अब मौसम थोड़ा सा बेहतर हो गया। This is Californian city, yeah?
California city, it's the right side.
Okay.
King Palace. The rich people live in this place.
Okay, rich people live here, and this.
California.
Wow, this is nice.
Arabi Saudi Palace, Kuwait.
Oh, Arabi Saudi, they got a palace here.
Also, yeah. Palace,
Wow.
Kuwait also.
And there's also one French people live here. What's the name?
If Salon.
Yeah.
I think it's If Salon. We have his house in Marrakesh
Right.
and Tangier. Which area?
Okay, this is poor area, and this is rich area. Wow. Who lives there? I mean, they are from Morocco. People from Morocco, from
Morocco, for the outside to the Morocco.
yeah.
The Spanish people before, now new doctor.
Doctors.
Yeah, and the
Okay.
textile, parliament.
Okay. What's the name of this area?
This called Dradab.
Dradab.
Dradab, but the name of the area before the real Tangier, he said the area for the 15 minutes.
Right.
Because they build them like 24 hours with now lessons before.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
this area before this new this
Right.
California new to this.
Nice. French school, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. France International, Detroit.
Carrefour left side.
What is that?
Soco Alto Carrefour
Carrefour.
supermarket. Yeah.
Carrefour.
Big
Carrefour.
supermarket.
Carrefour. It's French.
French, yeah, company French.
Paul is also French. La Fuga. You're going up now, going to California, huh?
Yes, upstairs.
Upstairs, yeah.
Higher.
Higher, yeah.
For on Tangier.
Okay. And all this is, look at the villas.
Villas.
कितने बड़े बड़े घर हैं देखा जनाब ये. So this is the most expensive area of Tangier.
On Tangier.
What is the population of Tangier? How many people live here?
I think we want a million and a half.
Million and a half, yeah. Okay. ये जिस रोड पर हम जा रहे हैं जी, ये it's very similar to Bishop's Avenue in London. How's this?
Giovanni Agnelli, proprietor for Fiat Uno and Ferrari.
Fiat. Oh, the owner of the Fiat and Ferrari. Oh, he lives there.
He was living here before.
Before.
The
This is all his house, yeah?
family- No, family of Arabi Saudi.
Arab. Okay, Saudi Arab family.
His family, but his palace right side upstairs.
What is this? This is very nice.
See the stairs. He has like the four houses in this.
Inshallah, one day you will buy a house here, huh?
Inshallah, why?
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Because we have everything.
Exactly. Exactly.
Now you have separate.
Yeah.
Right in the line. Just per the carries.
Okay. Right, so guys, this is the point. Okay. तो ये जी राइट साइड पे मेडिटेरेनियन है, मेडिटेरेनियन सी, और ये है अटलांटिक ओशन. अच्छा लोग नीचे भी गए हुए हैं वहाँ पर। When last time we came here, Aziz, sun was not here, and it was clear to see two colors.
Maybe because
But yeah, sun is back, so
look at the separation. This is like difference of the color.
yeah,
And upstairs you can see separation.
yeah,
Don't you see Mediterranean?
yeah. So this side is Mediterranean, and this is Atlantic Sea.
Little picture.
Yeah. Okay. So now where are we going?
We go to the lighthouse.
Lighthouse,
The
yeah.
real separation of the two oceans. This is only right hand because
This is on the right hand, yeah.
Other side.
Okay.
The real.
Kaspartel.
Spartel, the name.
Spartel. Okay.
Name is Kasbah.
अब आए जी हम कैप्सपार्टल। बेसिकली ये वही जगह है जहाँ पर दो समंदर मिल रहे हैं आपस में, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आकर हाइट पर एक लाइट हाउस सा बना हुआ है। तो यहाँ से पीछे नज़र आता है, दिखाता हूँ मैं अभी आपको। अभी हम नीचे थे, अब थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आ गए हैं। तो चूँकि सूरज पीछे है इस वजह से थोड़ा सा ये ब्लरी सा नज़र आ रहा है आपको, लेकिन इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, बहुत ही सुकून वाली और ख़ूबसूरत जगह है ये। आप कभी तंजीर आए तो उसको ज़रूर विज़िट करें। ये सामने एक कैफ़े भी बना हुआ है यहाँ पर, कैप्सपार्टल कैफ़े। कुछ सुवेनियर्स वे लोग बेच रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और ये एक लाइट हाउस है जी। Yeah, capspartel. This is the lighthouse. This one there, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, this is 200 dirhams.
300 dirhams.
Okay.
And another place is Tangier.
Right. Where are we going now, Aziz?
We go to the old city now.
Old city.
Kasbah.
Kasbah, yeah? Old city.
Old city.
This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. I go there and have a look, yeah? Okay. देखिए जी, रास्ते में से कितना खूबसूरत ये पूरा तंजीर सिटी नज़र आ रहा है, और लोग बैठे पिकनिक शिकनिक कर रहे हैं। और ग्रास की क्वालिटी देखें कितनी ज़बरदस्त। वाह जी वाह, खूबसूरत। Very nice. बैठे कुछ पिकनिक कर रहे हैं। तो ये क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं इनके पास, ये देखिए प्लेट्स पड़ी हुई हैं, नट्स पड़े हुए हैं। Very nice.
هي دائما يعني مرات
Thank you. I can taste that, yeah?
Yeah.
This is you made it?
حبيبتك
Okay.
زيد
No, enough. One is enough. One is enough.
صحة.
Thank you. खूबसूरत जगह है जी ये। Greenery देखें, lush green, and you can imagine we are in North Africa. ये लोग बड़े अच्छे हैं, इन लोगों ने जनाब हमें स्वीट्स अपनी टेस्ट करवाई हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा था वीडियो में मत लाएं उनको। तो चलें जी वापस। ये जी हम आए हैं जी कस्बा। दिस इज़ द ओल्ड सिटी। सो बेसिकली एक वॉल्ड सिटी है, इसकी चारों तरफ दीवारें हैं और बीच में जो तंजीर का ओल्ड सिटी है उसको प्रिजर्व किया है इन्होंने। राइट, ये पूरा ब्लू वाइट सिटी है और विद ब्लू डोर्स। छोटी छोटी स्ट्रीट्स बनी हुई हैं। What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
مهدي.
Mehdi. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you? 5 years, 6 years, 7 years?
عندك نعم
5. You go to school?
تفكر فينا من
Which class?
من قسم
You speak you speak English, you speak français? Parlez français?
تهدر فرنساوية
لا.
لا. Comment allez-vous? Bien? Ça va?
قال كيفاش عامل مزيان صافا
Ça va bien.
هاي شوف التراس
Okay.
كاس فلوس على اوكي
अच्छा जी, कोई होटल है।
look this is area of Medina most
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. ये भी सारा ब्लू सिटी बनाया है इन्होंने। ये देखिए जी कितनी खूबसूरत चीज़, पानी लगा हुआ है। ये अराउंड 250 यूरोस का है, लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत चीज़ है। दिस ऑल हैंडमेड, हाँ, हैंडमेड। ओके, माशाल्लाह, नाइस। दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। Who decorated? You?
No.
लेकिन बड़ा यूनिक सा एक कैफ़े बना हुआ है जी ये। And so I go upstairs and sit there, yeah? Okay, thank you. जिसने रिकमेंड किया कि आप ऊपर जाके बैठें, तो देखते हैं जी ऊपर क्या है। Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friend?
See you. How are you?
I'm good. You?
Alhamdulillah.
You're from Morocco?
Yes, sir.
You work here? I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah,
I know, because
mashallah.
Because you face like the India, like this.
Yeah, same
Pakistan.
continent. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm from Pakistan. Yeah. So this is a nice place. So this is Kasbah this side.
Yeah.
And what's there?
That's why this is from Medina.
Medina, the big souk and
Yeah,
square
the market. It is
market. Yeah. And what time you close here?
here and 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Yeah.
10 o'clock night. Yeah.
Okay. This is nice cafe. Very nice. You do painting here?
Yes, painter is another name. It's Samir. He's working here. He's painter.
He's off today.
No, it's always here.
Oh, he going down. Oh, okay. What he makes?
Mate, with anything.
Oh, like
So
this.
like this one.
Oh, like jackets.
For the jackets. For the
All right. Right. So ये क्या है जी पीछे? Construct. Tangier. Wow. You study here?
Yeah.
Morocco.
National exam
National exams, yeah?
in a month.
In a month time, yeah? And what you are studying?
Mathematics.
Mathematics, yeah?
And physics.
Physics. Wow, nice. I wish you all the best, yeah?
Thank you.
Good, good. मगरिब की अजान माशाल्लाह स्पीकर्स पे आवाज़ आ रही है उसकी वेरी नाइस So what's the name of this game?
His name is Pachi.
Parchi.
Yeah. Pachi. It's my turn now.
And how you play this?
We play this like we turn the nerve
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
Your turn or my turn? Mine. Your turn. Okay. So like two. Okay. So she has
Two.
two.
Okay.
So I'm gonna move up two stage.
Two. Okay.
Okay. This turn.
Two.
So this is my turn now.
Okay.
I do it like this. Just
One. Just one. One is no good, yeah?
It's not good.
Six is good. Yeah.
Five. So five and then yes, donc you need to move something.
And how many blue? Four?
How many?
Four blue, four red?
Yeah, for yellow, for red, and for. If you have player number five, he
Yeah.
can play the yellow one.
Yellow. Okay. That's nice. Okay.
If you want, you wanna try with us.
Yeah? Okay. I'll try.
Team, you are the five.
So this is my turn, yeah? Oh, 6! Lucky! Yeah! So 6 means I can go another round?
Oh, you can. You
Oh,
can do
okay.
six. So now you move.
Just the 6 moves. Okay. So from where I start?
You start from here.
Okay.
And you got six.
1, 2, 3.
No, not like this. It's opposite.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. You have got number from the first side.
Yeah?
Not there. Okay.
ये जी पुराना बाजार इन्हीं का सूक का करियाना शॉप था बेसिकली सूक पुराना बाज़ार कस्बा और काफ़ी साफ़ सुथरी सी जगह रौनक वाली जगह तो दिस इज़ ट्रेडिशनल मोरक्को ये था जी तंजीर का ओल्ड टाउन कस्बा, उनके पुराने बाज़ार एंड काफ़ी रौनक वाली जगह। और आप देखें कि कोई ज़्यादा अफरा तफरी तो नहीं है मैं कहूँगा, लेकिन रौनक है बहुत ज़्यादा। और हर कोई अपने काम से काम रख रहा है, आ रहा है, कोई जा रहा है। तो कंसीडरिंग कि ये एक अफ्रीका का एक मुल्क है, लेकिन आपको लग रहा है कि लोगों में काफ़ी खुशहाली नज़र आती है उनके चेहरों के ऊपर। तो चलें ठीक है जी, इसको भी यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में मिलते हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया।